Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products with an item from Sinister Diesel for our 17 to 19 6.7 Powerstroke drivers out there. This is the Sinister Diesel Coolant Filtration Bypass System that comes with everything you need for installation, including an efficient cat filter. Now what this product does is essentially prolong the life of your motor. A lot of times when they're manufactured, you get some extra contaminants and shavings that go through your EGR cooler, your water pump, your engine oil cooler. What this is going to do is take small batches of that coolant and filter it down and remove all those contaminants to help prolong the life of your motor. It's complete as it comes with everything you need. There's no drilling required. The bracket that comes with this mounts to factory holes already in the engine compartment. So everything you need is here in this kit so you can help prevent damage and prolong the life of your 6.7. If you want more information on this, you can click the link in the bio, or as always, reach out to us at dieselpowerproducts.com.